What happens when 10,000 homes received a hand-delivered gift? This August, we're going to find out.
We're here in between Lewiston and Auburn, and when combined make up one of the largest populations here in Maine. And we have something pretty exciting planned. What is that, Sheriff?
We are having a mission trip right here, August 26th through 30.
So what's involved in this mission trip?
We will be hand-delivering up to 10,000 packages of hope, which have a great controversy and a health magazine.
That sounds awesome. So who can be a part of that?
Everyone. There is a role for anyone who wants to come and join us.
That's excellent. Combining the gospel with health evangelism.
Yes.
That's how Jesus did it.
Yes.
Praise the Lord.
Yes. So join us August 26th through 30 of this year.
Looking forward to seeing you there.
Behind every door is an individual or family searching for answers, longing for purpose, and looking for lasting hope. This mission trip is more than just door to door. Early in the morning, we have group Bible study and prayer. We have trainings before you go door to door. Then after you come back, after supper, we have a wonderful time of sharing testimonies of what the Lord has done. When you join us, you will not only be a blessing, you will be blessed. Across the world, God is calling His people into active service. Through this simple act of sharing literature, you can be part of a movement preparing hearts for Christ's soon return.
If your heart is in this mission and you're unable to join us in person, you can still help by praying for this event. That is sincerely appreciated. And also you can make a financial contribution to the Auburn Seventh-day Adventist Church. Just mark it for the Auburn Lewiston mission.
Join us this August for a mission that will impact lives for eternity. Be part of the mission to Auburn and Lewiston, Maine, and help bring hope to 10,000 homes.